Hello everyone, I'm Gobinda back again with another new exciting project. And this project is dedicated for the developers, those who are continuously maintaining their GitHub profiles. So making GitHub profiles is now creating a lucrative one. GitHub profile is really challenging. So to make the things easier, I came up with a solution. The solution is I built a solution, GitHub Profile Readme Generator. You might be seeing several kind of Readme generator. You have seen several kind of things open source market in available in everywhere, but I can assure you this one is totally different. So now I am explaining how it's different from others. So here from the Markdowners website, markdowners.com, from the home menu, you can definitely easily navigate to the GitHub profile readme generator template. From there, you will get this pop-up to get ready-made template. I have provided two type of template here, and it's totally free. Is a QA, those who are quality engineer, quality assurance engineer, and they can use it. Or those who are developer, get a quick note or quick type of actions, and definitely use this template. It's a very easy to use. Just click here, you will get a prompt, and it's totally free, and paste it here and customize according to your needs. It's very easy. So moving forward, the total template I have given two. Definitely, if you show the encourage, I will add more profile, because it's definitely time consuming. Seeing others and making things for you is totally challenging. But I will definitely recommend you to build your own profile by using this builder. I'm just giving an overview how you can utilize the builder from here. Sorry. From here, this is the toolbar. You will get the H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag. And by clicking this button, you can clean all the editor text. Sorry. So if you want to just follow the process, you can make the things bold, you can make the things italic, you can strike through things, you can make the underline the things, you can create hyperlink text here, you can create unordered list, you can create the number list, you can create code, you can add the divider, you can get that markdown guide. This is the simple MD open source editor I'm using it, and you can create an insert table from here, you can insert image link here, you can create a long code from here, you can make the things highlight. Also, you can change the positions alignment of your content. There is a redo and undo button, and there is a delete button, and these are the navigation for visit the other projects of the Markdowners. Also, there is a donation button. That's totally different. But clicking or removing the template part, from here, you will definitely get the template again. I will definitely add more template if you show the encourage, if you encourage me to add this, definitely. And from here, like I'm describing the left sidebar, I'm adding plenty of prompts for you. I'm saying it's prompts because if you click here, you will get all the things here, and just you have to change the username, and I have given the process how you can change it, and I'm going to I have added the tips here. Also, you can add GitHub summary card. These are all the very easy. Just you have to just replace the username. Just replace with your username. That's it. Like if you add all the things here, just click the button, it will copy all the text. Just like I'm just deleting it and paste it here. You can see, boom. Now, most interesting part. I have added Ajax search filter. Like if you want to add some title, just write the T, you will get the things here. Just click here, you will get the information. Installation process, you will get the installation process here. If you add the documentation, you will get the documentation. Contribution, you will get the contribution duration stat. So these are the things. Like if you want to add more stat, I have added so many GitHub stats styles here. You can add from here. This is also, if you have a Stack Overflow account, just like Stack Overflow profile card, you will definitely get here. Just replace with your username. Also, if you need an animated icon, just search for animated emojis. You will get any animated emojis here. Now, interesting part I would like to show you. Just select the thing and change the positions here from here. You can see positions are changed, have changed. Also, just delete here the most interesting part. Another interesting part, if you find, like if you want to add the header of your GitHub profile, you can find it here. Also, there are so many things. If you want to add the shape divider, you can add from here. So that's all. If you want to add the GitHub profile, you can find it. Just replace it with your username in the URL. I believe you can do it easily. So I just collect all the links, all the things from various type of sources. Those are the very cool developers. Those are building things for you. So I have just uh, collected all the things, and for you, I just give you this builder to make the things better. And if you don't know how to, I do believe you know, but sometimes we don't know. Some of the new users, the newbies, don't know how to make the things right. So I have added tips here how you can make uh, import the things in your GitHub README file. Also, there is a all things here, documentation here. You will get the things. So very easy things. I do believe you know how to do that. But if you're totally new, you can do that here. There is a rapid fire GIF. Just you can add your rapid fire information here. You can say your emoji GIF informations here. That's all. It's a very easy things, and I do believe you will definitely love it. And if you love it, and definitely share with your friends and families, those who are looking for to make the things beautiful for your GitHub profile. So also you can add the Medium blogs. So I forgot to share the Medium blogs postcard, Medium blog postcard. Here I have only one Medium blog, so I'm seeing here, and it's a very easy. See, this is my Medium blog. So that's it. The best part is I'm not collecting any email. I'm not collecting any information of you. Already you have seen, if I refresh the page, all the information is gone. So be careful, my buddy. But there is a one chance, if you don't refresh, but just delete it, there is a redo button. But if you refresh the page, it will not save anything. I'm not saving any information in your local storage. I'm not killing your RAM. So, or your stories. So I'm not also collecting any data, any email, or any subscription fee. All are free because all the information, all things that I have added here are totally free to use. So I have also added the GitHub credits. So I'm sorry I didn't get the profile links. I forgot the links. So if you find, if you think I have to give the link here, so definitely reach me out. I will definitely add the links. So these are all about, and it's better to use in the desktop version. Otherwise it will be messy. So you will not get the live preview options. I have tried to make it mobile responsive, but it's definitely good for the desktop use. So I added the precautions. So if you have any complaint for mobile responsive, sorry buddy, I have nothing to do with that now. So that's it. Why I'm saying I'm so much excited, because it's really excited. I feel it's beyond my I have a scale up my scope to be in building the things, because you can, oh, one more thing I forgot to share. You can add, we can sort out the things, sort out the list, prompt list, by dragging here. So uh, I will suggest check all the thing and choose the best one and make a list, then start creating your GitHub Readme Profile. And later on, just click the button. It will copy all the text from here and paste it on your readme.md file. I do believe you will love it, and share your love with your friends and family, and share your good vibes to me so that I can do these things. And definitely I took help from Claude and ChatGPT to make the things better, to make the prompts better. And the UI things is totally different. I have limitation because the simple MDA has doesn't have that much flexibility. I have to override so many things. So this the minimal things I could provide you right now. So please share with you. And this is the Ajax search. So I hope you will love it, and share it with your friends and buddies to make the things better. Thank you. Thank you so much. And stay connected. Tata. Bye bye.